Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to count words in your document on Microsoft Word mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all guys, I'm going to open up my Microsoft application. I'm going to go to the Microsoft folder on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to select this one. And since we want to count word in Microsoft Word, I'm going to go to the Microsoft Word application, and then I'm just going to open up one of my documents here. I'm going to go to the document, and for instance, I'm going to count words in this document. Okay. Alright guys, and if you want to count word in Microsoft Word application on mobile phone, we need to go to the review menu, but before it, make sure you click on the edit button to enable the editing tools. And to go to the review menu, you just need to click on this icon. But wait, sorry guys, before you go to the review menu, you need to select all the text you have in your document. We can double click like this, and then it just simply click on select all, and all text will be selected. And after that, you're going to go to the review menu. I'm going to select the home menu, and then we're going to select review, and you can select the word count feature to count words in your document like this. And wait guys, okay, and this is the result. These are the words I have more than 3,000 words in my document, and you will get information about the characters as well, characters with spaces or characters with no spaces. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to include the text boxes, footnotes and endnotes or not, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, this is the result, and that's easy, right? You just need to go to the review and then go to the word count menu, and you will get information about how many words you have in your document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to count words in our document on Microsoft Word mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.